Ashley Volz, and I'm with Tides. And today I'm speaking with Cory Hinz, Director of Engineering with Asahi Kasei Bioprocess. Cory has a talk at the upcoming Tides Europe event, Achieving Control in Oligo Manufacturing, Innovations, Strategies, and Technologies. Thank you for speaking with me today, Cory. Cory Hinz, Director of Engineering for Asahi Kasei Bioprocess. Cory has a talk at the upcoming Antibody Engineers event in San Diego this December, Achieving Control in Oligo Manufacturing, Innovations, Strategies, and Technologies. Thanks so much for speaking with me today, Cory.
No problem.
Let's get right into it. What does achieving control in oligonucleotide manufacturing mean, and why is it so important for today's therapeutics?
I believe achieving control means not only having a complete understanding of your process, but also having the knowledge and the ability to affect it in ways that improve yield and repeatability. Your process should operate to produce to your expectations, and your adjustments to the process should generate expected results. This ultimately leads to a consistently high yield.
And can you share one innovation or technology from Asahi Kasei Bioprocess that's making a real difference in process control?
Sure, I'll talk about the Thesis C&D TFF system. It addresses a few different challenges at once. After oligos are cleaved from the solid support and deprotected, about half undergo crude ultrafiltration and diafiltration using TFF equipment. Many processes today that use TFF equipment use equipment designed for bioprocess applications, which don't include the features appropriate for oligo manufacturing, such as approval for hazardous area operation. Additionally, the oligo product must be moved from the C&D suite to the UFDF suite. The Thesis C&D TFF system is purpose-built for the cleavage and deprotection of oligos and performing initial UFDF on one system without any material movement within the facility. This reduces process risk and simplifies asset management, among other benefits.
Interesting. And what are some common challenges or sources of variability in oligosynthesis, and how does your approach help address them?
A lot of factors are typically creating variability and working against consistent control. There are human challenges, such as variability from one shift or operator to another. There are procedural challenges in getting a complex multi-step process to execute the same way every time. Operational challenges around maintenance and calibration can impact equipment behavior and results. Facility challenges, especially in facilities modified to accommodate new processes, can have a detrimental impact on workflows and material flows. Technological challenges exist as many facilities attempt to implement Pharma 4.0 improvements. AKB's Ocelot system control is designed to meet these types of challenges by reducing the need for operator interaction and providing a suite of tools to facilitate reliable and repeatable processes. And our built-for-you approach means we have expertise in accommodating challenging facility constraints and ambitious integration strategies.
Oh, that sounds great. Could you briefly explain how automation and equipment flexibility contribute to better outcomes in oligo manufacturing?
The process and campaign needs are always changing. Flexible equipment can be used not just for one specific molecule or one specific sponsor, but many, which means it should accommodate a wide range of operating conditions and even possibly multiple modalities. It's also vital that the corresponding automation keeps up to provide the necessary level of control. Keeping this in mind makes a facility better able to handle changes in organizational priorities and in the industry.
For those attending Tides, what should they look for at your booth if they want to see these technologies in action?
Come visit us to see our ACS Ergo synthesis column and learn how it can simplify your packing and unpacking.
Great. Thank you so much for speaking with me today, Cory. And everyone, make sure to go see Cory's talk on site at the event next month.
Thanks, Ashley.